In this video, let me show you how to fix in case the Wi-Fi of your iPhone 17e is not working or it's disconnecting often. Step number one is to do a force restart. This will not delete anything. It will simply shut down your iPhone and power it back on. And this can fix so many issues. How to do this? Well, you're going to need to press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and the Apple logo comes. So let me demonstrate. Volume up, volume down, and I'm keeping press this power button like this. No matter what appears in the screen, I won't release the button. Usually after 10 seconds, the screen will go black. Here we go. I will still press on the button. I'm not releasing it. And once I see the Apple logo, I can release and the iPhone will reboot. And fortunately, after doing this, everything will work smoothly. I also suggest you do the same thing. Obviously it will be different with your Wi-Fi router. So if you're not able to connect to it, go ahead, unplug it from the wall outlet, wait around 2 minutes and plug it back. Usually by doing this, it's a simple restart. It will help solving this kind of issue. In my case, it happened to me in the past, not with this iPhone, but with other devices. And I thought the problem was with my device, but instead it was with my Wi-Fi router. I had to disconnect it, reconnect it, and okay, it solved the issue solved by itself. If you're still having problems, what I suggest, well, is to first of all disconnect yourself from the network you're having issues with. So by going into the settings, Wi-Fi, this is the current Wi-Fi network I'm connecting to. Let's say I'm having issues. I'll tap on the I button and I'll click on forget this network and forget. The network has now been deleted from my iPhone. Turn the Wi-Fi off, turn it on, and some people also suggested that you turn on and off airplane mode many times. Okay, by tapping this button many times, it helps reset the Wi-Fi settings. Okay, so after doing this, go ahead, turn back your Wi-Fi and connect yourself back to the network. This is another solution, and hopefully at this point everything works smoothly. You can also fully reset the network settings, so the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth of this iPhone. If I go back into the settings menu, select General, go down, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. If you choose Reset Network Settings, you enter the passcode of this iPhone. Every connected Bluetooth device and every connected Wi-Fi networks will be deleted from your iPhone 17e, and you'll start fresh. Nothing else will be deleted. So your apps, your personal information, everything will still be on your phone. It's just these two different things will be completely done, and you'll be able to start connecting to your network again. And hopefully this will solve your problem. Now, other things that you can check by going into the settings over here is to make sure that you're not connected to a VPN. Sometimes these can cause issues. So once you open the settings of your phone, tap on search, type VPN, and tap on VPN and device management. Over here, I'm not connecting to any, so that's good. But if in your case you were connected, try to disconnect yourself from that VPN and try to see if the issue persists. There's a lot of chance that this was causing the problem. Now, you can also do another thing I read on Reddit. Okay, I never tried this trick. In the settings, tap on the search bar and type location services. Here we go, location services. Tap on this. Select system services. And now turn off networking and wireless. Turn off. And now go ahead and try your Wi-Fi. Go see if it works finally. Some people have reported that doing this fixed their problem. So it's worth trying. If you have any other tricks on how to solve this Wi-Fi problem, please leave a comment down below, or if one of the things I described over here worked for you, I want to know. So leave a comment Subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links if you want to get cases, screen protectors, some USB devices for your iPhone 17e. I have made a list about everything that I recommend, so check this out. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.